Very warm welcome to the Danish Research Lab. And in previous topic, we had discussed about the explanatory research, its types, its uses, and its scope, and uh, or focus of analysis, focus of data collection, focus on methodology. We discussed a bit about explanatory research, and today lecture we are going to explore the exploratory research. By definition, the exploratory research from the term explorative, to discover something new. From the exploratory research, we means to explore new things. From the definition, exploratory research or exploratory research design is a type of social science research in which we explore things for the first time. In this research design, we explore those things which haven't explored in the past, which haven't touched in the past in the form of research questions. In exploratory research, we explore the phenomena, the research questions, and any other process and the perspective of what, why, and how, from the angle of exploration to either there is something new present there or not. Exploratory research, we explore things, we explore the phenomenons, we explore the process, and we explore the research questions that haven't been explored in the past or in the previous history. Exploratory research is basically, we can also call them interpretive research or grounded theory research. In exploratory research, we explore the unexplored. In simple words, in exploratory research, we explore the unexplored. The unexplored means here, these are those things, are those research questions which haven't been touched in the past. First time when we are going to explore things, new things, then it becomes in the context of exploratory research. Theory building process, not a theory testing process, it is a theory building process, and it is a lot of explanation and description. Basically, this exploratory research provide a background or foundation for explanatory. It is mostly interpretive research or grounded theory research. Here we mean these are the primary research designs or methods through which we are going to explore things. That's why it is called interpretive research or grounded theory research, are also called theory building process or theory building research. We introduce and we produce theories on the basis of this research design. There are types of exploratory research design, just like the explanatory research design, the primary research, the secondary research, and the triangulatory research. The primary research, we can also say them, and this primary research we adopt pure qualitative methodology for data collection, for data analysis, and for concluding results and findings. The secondary research is from its name, secondary. The secondary research implies that we study things from the pre-existing research, or the pre-exist, and in the context of pre-existing data, all secondary data. That's why it is called secondary research. This is quantitative, this is quantitative, and this one is qualitative. This is qualitative method, and this one is quantitative method, and the third one is triangulative method are triangulation research, also called triangulation research. Here we combine both the approaches. Here we mix both the approaches, quantitative and qualitative, and this also turns into max method, also called max method. Max method research. We combine both the qualitative and quantitative approach or methodology for conducting a particular study. Then it becomes the category of triangulation or triangulative research or max method of exploratory research. Exploratory research study or answer the questions for the first time, provide the answers of why, how, which had not been explored in the past in depth. Mostly this research is qualitative in nature. In case of primary research or qualitative research, primary research or qualitative research. Research which is mostly the interpretive research, which is mostly the grounded theory research. In interpretive research, we do interpretation, we do extensive explanation regarding something. In grounded theory, we for the first time build theory, we for the first time construct theory. So these are the primary methods, and these primary methods are called qualitative approach or qualitative methodology. And we collect data or we analyze data using qualitative protocols, qualitative methods or procedures. Like for data collection, we use survey methods. Survey is a list of structured questions. And another one is FGD. FGD mean focus group discussion. There are 10 to 12 groups of people. Another one is interview. We record interviews. We conduct and record interviews. And these are the three methods of data collection for primary research or the qualitative research we are doing in exploratory design. In case of secondary research, we collect and analyze data through literature search, case studies, and online resources. The secondary research are also called quantitative research. Quantitative research or approach. Literature search is basically the literature survey or the literature review. From that literature review, we can decide that to what extent the particular piece of information exists, the ratio of particular piece of information, the proportion of particular piece of information, the quantification of words or the phenomena is called qualitative approach or qualitative methodology. And another one, case studies. We do case studies of different things. We explore or we analyze or we evaluate different case studies. On the basis of those case studies, we derive conclusion, we derive results regarding a particular phenomena, regarding a particular process, or regarding a particular research problem. Another thing is online resources. In online resources, we search the particular issue or the particular topic or the particular problem on different online resources which has been already published by different authors, researchers, and any field of expertise. We record and we do consult, we do interpret, and we do explore their opinions, and on the basis of those opinions we set new theory, we build a new theory, we test a new theory for the first time. This is the secondary research or the secondary research methods of data collection, literature search, case study, and online resources. The another thing regarding exploratory research is the results and findings of this research are unconclusive. They are insufficient regarding a particular problem. They need further explanatory research, further other types of research to explore more and more regarding a particular topic of concern. Provide this research, the exploratory research provide foundation for the research, provide foundation for explanatory research, or this research provide foundation for future research to explore and the a particular phenomena or a particular topic of interest and depth, and which has not been studied in the past. In simple words, exploratory research is a type of research design in which we do extensive or in-depth analysis of a particular thing which has not been explored in the past. We do for the first time this type of research. The another thing is the results and the unique characteristic of this research is this research mostly conducted in the qualitative domain but little in quantitative domain. The another thing regarding this research is the results and findings of this research are insufficient and unconclusive. That's why they need further and further studies in order to explore and elaborate it in more depth, in more extensive form, in a more broad form.